In this video, I will show you how to disable Gemini in your Android phone. Today, I will show you two methods that you can use to disable Gemini in your phone. So if I go to app screen, you can see in my phone it's enabled. Now for the first method, just open up your settings app. After that, scroll down. Then go to apps option. Then go to search bar. And then type Gemini. Then just open it. And here at the bottom you can see disable option. Just tap on disable and you can disable Gemini from here. You have to just tap on disable app option. Now for the second method, just go back, go to app screen and then touch and hold on the Gemini app, then tap on disable, then tap on disable again to confirm it, and you can see it's disabled successfully. And that's it, you can see it's disabled now. And that is how you can disable Gemini in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.